Yeah. So Joe is fixing to shoot a balloon. You're gonna fix one on the barbecue? Or okay. Yay, you did it. You want to get like right here, Merle, and try it?
Yeah. Don't shoot that daggum. Don't shoot that thing off.
Oh, I don't want to shoot that. Oh, no, no, no. I don't think so.
Maybe we can put the balloon somewhere.
Whoop, there they go.
Just walk over there and shoot them on the ground. Here, come here, Joe. I know where to put them. Here, I got a place for them. Come here. No, we'll just get over there and we'll shoot them right here. Come here. Hold that for a minute.
What are you doing there? Push. What's that A? What's that A left doing? What's that dang thing going on there?
Huh?
I'm supposed to be right there. What's that doing in there?
What?
That thing supposed to be up there.
It just gives it better direction and focus. Okay, Merle's fixing to shoot. And she missed it. But she did a booty dance, so she's redeemed herself. She's gonna shoot. Yes.
What? No.
I'm going to shoot.
Oh yeah. Last one.
Last one. Joe is fixing to shoot. His last birthday.